Are you stuck choosing between Starlink and Spectrum? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two internet options. Both aim to provide you with fast internet, but they do it in different ways. Starlink is a satellite internet service. It connects you to the internet through satellites orbiting the Earth. This means you can get service even in remote areas. On the other hand, Spectrum is a cable internet provider. It uses cables to deliver high speed internet to homes and businesses, mostly in urban and suburban areas. Now, let's look at Starlink a bit more closely. It offers high speeds and low latency, especially in rural regions where other options might not be available. However, its performance can vary depending on weather conditions and satellite coverage. Spectrum, however, is known for its reliable service in many locations. It provides consistent speeds and often has no data caps, which is a big plus for heavy users. But it may not be available in all areas, especially rural ones. When we talk about key differences, we see that Starlink is best for those in hard to reach places. Spectrum is better for urban users who want stable internet with fewer interruptions. In terms of features, Starlink has a simple setup with a satellite dish, while Spectrum usually requires a modem and cables. Both services offer different plans to fit your needs, but Spectrum often has more options for bundling with TV. As for pricing, Starlink tends to be on the higher side, especially with the initial equipment cost. Spectrum often offers competitive pricing, especially with promotions. So, if you live in a rural area and need internet, Starlink is your best bet. But if you're in a city or suburb, Spectrum might be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.